Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I am here to show you how you can download application Cool Wallet on your Android smartphone. What is Cool Wallet? Cool Wallet is an exceptional application with many features that will help you in the world of crypto, and this application is very user friendly, so you won't have a problem using it in your Android smartphone. First, to download the application on your Android smartphone, you need to make sure that the device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi connection. And after making sure, go on to Play Store and on the search bar, type in Cool Wallet. And after the result pops up, it is the first application that is shown. Go on to the application and there is an install button in front of your screen. So hit on install, and depending upon your Wi-Fi connection, the application will be installed on your phone with a bit of time. And as you can see, Cool Wallet has been installed on an Android smartphone. Now you can use this application in the crypto world and use it to aid you in your journey. This much for this video. I hope you find our video helpful. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell for our latest video. And don't forget to leave a comment for more reviews and more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.